Hourglass just released the most stunning eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to show you guys how I created this chic eye look using the Minimalist Curator Palette. I'm going to start with shade 1. I'm just going to start applying this all over the lid and up the brow bone. Now with shade number 2, I'm going to start applying this in the crease, and I'm going to take this up underneath the brow. I'm going to drag that shade below the lash line. Now with shade number 3, the shade is going directly into the crease. Drag that down into the lash line and outer corner. Same thing, just drag that down the lower lash line. Stopping here would be the perfect daytime look, but I'm going to go in with shade number 4 to make this a little bit more sultry for nighttime. With this shade, I'm really just going to focus this onto the lash line. Taking what's left on that brush, I'm going to add this to the lower lash line only on the outer corner. What I love about these palettes is they're just so effortless to apply. You can just see how easy they are to work with. Now I'm going in with the Unlocked Mascara in shade Espresso. This is a tubing mascara. It gives you the look of lash extensions. Starting at the base of my lashes and pulling up, adding a little bit to the lower lashes. Okay guys, here is the final look. I'm obsessed with this palette. So easy to use. I love how luxurious the packaging, the formula is. Let me know what you guys think of the look and if you try out the palette.